Alright, so let's get started. I'm using this planner which I really like. It has this beautiful leather cover on the outside, and I've been using these same Minora planners for the longest time and I love them. Yeah, this is my new planner that I'm gonna be starting probably next month or so. Along with this, you'll also need a pen. I'm using the Pigma Micron 0.2 pen. You can use any pen that you want. You can also use a scale, but that's optional, and you'll also need a paperweight. So let's get started. So the first spread that I'm going to be making is a year at a glance. So this spread allows you to look at your entire year. So what I'm going to be doing is at the top of the page, I'm going to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And on top of those, I'm going to be writing the name of the month. So January, February, March, etc. So a lot of people also do spread out the year at a glance page on 2 pages. I do not feel the need to do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in all the dates. This process is so time consuming and it cramps my hand, but it's so worth it in the end. So take your time and fill out all the dates that you want. I'm gonna be going ahead and doing exactly the same. It takes some time. I decided to write hello 2020, but again that's optional. Now on the next page I'm writing my 2020 yearly goals. So this year I'm dividing my goals into 4 categories. First is personal, financial, then my business goals, and then my health goals. So I'm going to be going ahead and filling all the goals that I have for 2020. You can also make any other categories that you want, but the idea is kind of to divide the goals and so that you can plan better or what you want to do and how you want to achieve those goals. At the bottom I'm writing a growth tracker where I want to track all my socials. So I'm going to be tracking my Instagram, my blog views, how much money do I make from my business, and YouTube subscribers. So that's all. Now on the next page what I'm doing is I'm making a monthly spread for January. At the top of the page I'm just going back and filling all the dates for January. Fancy, you can use a scale also here, but I thought it's okay, I don't need to. And then on the side of it I'm also going to be writing again all the dates from 1st to 31st, because on the left side of this page I'll put on a habit tracker. I do not feel the need to use another page for a habit tracker because I do not track that many habits. I track a few, so that's it. My habit tracker is right here. And as for the habits that I want to track, I want to track my sleeping schedule, my workout schedule, and just things like that. Or you can track anything that you want. And you basically fill in one box for every habit that you're tracking.
Faking smiles and laughing, playing like I'm happy all the time.
I'm also writing down my goals for January. Write down these goals. I'm writing my top 3 priorities. So these are the 3 things that I want to get done. These are big projects that I want to get done in January. I'm now quickly going back and looking at what spread do I want to make next, because I planned it out all in advance. So on the left side I'm making my content calendar for January. So I'm going to be planning out all the content that I have to write. So what I'll do is, for YouTube I'm going to be putting out the dates on which the videos are supposed to go out, and then I'll plan what videos go out on which dates. And similarly I'll plan for my Instagram, and I'll also plan what content do I want to put on Instagram, and similarly for my blog as well. So I'll write down the blog topics that I want to be writing in January.
Scrolling through my Insta, don't wanna get into this right now.
Want a weekly spread. I do not feel the need to make a very elaborate weekly spread like people do. I'm just writing the dates and the days. Between these I'll just write my to-do list for that particular day using Ryder Carroll's method for my bullet journal. You can use a key, but I have been doing this for the longest time and I do not feel the need to use a key. So I use a dot for every task that I write, and then I'll put these little crosses when the task is complete. I'll also put these arrows when a particular task has been migrated, as a crossover line if a particular task has been cancelled. I also use the exclamation point for anything that is important. It's over. I'll go ahead throughout my week and I'll see what went well and what didn't go well. So I'll review my entire week. Now I'm also going back. Now I'm going back to my year at a glance, and I'm also writing important dates at the bottom. So basically birthdays, anniversaries, and any other events on dates that I do not want to forget. So I'm writing down birthdays and anniversaries here. What you can also do is you can mark these off in your year at a glance page. So that's what I'm doing. I'm circling all the important dates that I have, and that's about it.
Even though mascara's running down my face,